Here's me. Good job, Nathan. You are a great little dancer. He just learned to talk on his phone today and dance to the music. Oh my goodness, what a joy. Okay, everybody. Hey, Nathan, say bye-bye. Hey, buddy. Hey, Nate. Nathan. Nathan. Can you say bye-bye? Hey, buddy. Hey, Nathan. All right. Maybe he is not in the mood today. Okay. Bye, everybody.